So today's video is going to be very special for you, my dear friend, because today I'm going to talk about any Samsung Android phone handset. If many complaints are coming in the comment section on this Samsung phone, so today's video is only for Samsung, which is very valuable. So you just follow with us and unlock your Samsung Android phone. You just have to watch this video till the end without a skip, then you can understand the whole process and you can unlock any Samsung Android phone sitting at home. So let's start the process. So my dear friend, before going to a start, I am going to share you some important things which I am going to share you some code, and which is very, this code is which is not unlocked. If your phone is not unlocked by this process, please tell us in the comment section which handset is models is your and which model is it, because the code which I am going to share for unlocking process may support in many handset and may not support in many handset. So let's focus on our process and unlock your phone. Now you can able to see this handset, Samsung handset is logged and logged through the password, and below this on the screen emergency call option, so click on it and applies this code star has 62005 a star 885. After that you have to press and click on call on it minimum 3 times and erase this code and apply a star hash 899 and hash. There are so many comments. You are using finger on backside for unlocking, so you can able to see there is no finger lock on the backside my Android phone. So now finally engineer mode page is activated on our screen. So click on it. What your software version? What is your factory version updated or not? Your phone must be updated. Then you have to click on as per Android version. So at my Android version, you can able to see our Android version was 12. So I am clicking here 12 times. Come back from this option and go with the manual test. Second row device debugging page, and you have to check M sensor auto test. Now test is successful, and again we have to click on proximity calibration and confirm here. Again we have to check gyroscope test and check gyroscope cell test and start here. So now finally it's working. Come back from this option and click on others option and check key status. Now you can able to see key status. All the option is coming fast. After completing the whole process, my dear friend, you have to check our phone whether our phone is unlocked or not. So now you have, it's time to press the home button, and as you can able to see, this phone is unlocked without loss of any data or application. So I hope you guys you subscribe our channel, like this video.